certainly for a really compelling picture of the field, but also a lot of thought-provoking things again. And as I was looking through it, because we're going to transition now into today's breakouts, a fair amount of alignment in some of the questions you asked and some of the things that emerged out of our discussions yesterday. So first, there's a revised agenda. We're going to revise it again on the fly a little bit, but we have a revised agenda for today, and we also have a sheet that identifies the 6 breakouts that we're going to do today. If you do not have that, if you didn't get it when you came in, raise your hand, and we'll get it distributed to you now so everybody has this, okay? So the steering committee over dinner last night went through the sheets of ideas that emerged in the last session yesterday, identified where there were mergers, where things that was a critical mass of ideas closely enough related, and then the result of that was to identify 6 topics for breakouts. These are listed on the sheets, and so and we're doing this in the 2 sessions. The schedule identifies 2 sessions this morning: collaboration breakout number 1, number 2. In round 1, 3 topics. It's right there. I don't have to look there. The first one is focused around the 50K Coalition Initiative, and that breakout is going to be in room 106. It is your choice where you go to breakouts. So this is the roadmap for the first session. Second breakout in the first session: how can engineering societies improve the public perception of engineering via marketing a la NCAA? And it's this whole prestige, visibility, marketing, and in one of the discussions yesterday, NCAA has that mind share. How do they do it? What could we do? The third: what role can engineering societies play in helping engineering education align with the pace of change in the field? Okay, so 3 major topics. Can we put up the slide for the second set, just also for so we won't have to go through this again. In the second round, the role engineering societies can play in influencing the criteria for faculty success, including promotion, tenure, and recognition. How can engineering societies undertake joint projects and design competitions using the Grand Challenges framework? So a way of bringing societies together. Daryl talked about solar decathlon, things of that scale where the collaboration is critical. And what's the role of engineering societies in providing training as a part of engineering education, training in engineering education? What is the role for the societies there? So the format for these is going to be that the original schedule suggests that these are roughly 55-minute sessions. They are 45-minute sessions, and 45 minutes means from when you leave this room to when you're back in this room. So obviously a little internal adjustment. I'm looking at the steering committee facilitators. 45 minutes. Room to room back here, okay? And that will be true for both of the sessions. We will, after the first one, take a break. So if your first one wants to run long, you have the option of doing that. But we will be. Do you have a start time when we kind? I got the minutes. I don't have the times. Well, when does the second breakout start? If we start now, the break will be at 10:35 to 10:45, and so the second one would start at 10:45. Okay. And right? Then we will come back here for reports on these and a discussion of next steps. Any questions? Okay. One logistical issue. If you need a taxi to go to the airports or anyplace else, please sign up at the sign-up sheets during the break. That's when we need to have you to sign up so we can order the right number of taxis. Thank you. Okay. Go.